Hello guys, what's happening? Bitcoin is at record prices. We have not seen this kind of rally for longer than half or even a whole year. We are above 8,800, we touched 9,500. It's going crazy. We are most probably going to make a new autumn high and altcoins are starting to pick up. If you want to know what's really going to happen with Bitcoin and whether or not this is a continuously slow, good upwards movement or just a pump and a dump scheme from the whales designed to lock you in and then dump on you. If you want to know the answers to all these questions, keep on watching. I'll be going into detail what I think will happen right now with the price and the whole crypto market as a whole shortly. So let's look into the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, things have been extremely interesting. It made this wonderful breakout here and went up until 9,400, even 500. Honestly, I've kind of predicted the whole move up until the 8,000s. Then I traded a little bit more up until the 8,600 levels, and since then I had one or two orders about this level, but up to 9,500 I did not think we can go as fast there without even a small correction. But as you all know, we are close to the date of the halving, and the halving will be coming shortly. So right now, Bitcoin did break above its long channel. Right here, that's been really keeping the price down for more than several months and is trading quite comfortable above the channel, but as you can see, right here we did go above the channel as well, but didn't really stay here for long and then went down again. What we see right now, and I hope that that's not the scenario that we're in, we might have another attempt to break above, then go down again, make a double top and slightly go down and then go for a bigger correction to the 200 days moving average, which would be around 7,600 or even 500. And then if everything is okay and we're still in a bullish mode, we go up. But as you might know, there is this saying, buy the rumor and sell the news. Right now the rumor is this halving thing. It's that the block reward will be halved, will be reduced to half, and people did indeed start buying whales. I'd say whales. Most of the people were not ready for this big move and started buying and accumulating, and they had this big incredible run, and right now they can dump into the people that got in a little bit too late. Small note guys, do not forget to not use too much leverage if any at all. Right now the price is extremely unstable and you won't be able to predict its next move. Even with well-defined structures, it's close to impossible to define the moves. But right now with all this volatility, please don't do it, you won't be able to make it. Stay flat. If you have to open a really low leverage head short, but do not over leverage your shorts or your longs. You'll lose more in the long term because the halving is here, and before the halving, right before it and at it, we are going to have quite big fluctuations, price fluctuations. Price will be fluctuating like crazy. So be calm, be level-headed, do not get emotional and do not over leverage. let's continue with the video. But without a good correction and without shorts being burnt, longs being burnt, sorry, I don't see this happening. Let's remove all the drawings and see what is happening on the monthly. As you can see, we close the monthly really beautifully and we engulf this big red candle here, the turbo match. We engulfed it and we had this beautiful green candle and we're trying to close above it. All this is extremely bullish, but you should not forget that we are still being kept down by this important resistance, 10,300, and this one as well, the 9,000 resistance. So we after this big run we are in for at least a small correction before continuing up. What I personally think is that at the halving we're most probably going to correct a little bit, then have this nice range forming here, and then in a couple of months start going exponentially and test the previous, go above the 14,000 mark, then test the previous high and go above it, way above it. If everything with the economy is okay and it's going into a more stable mode, I do think that Bitcoin is going to test and go above its previous halving. But we'll see how things develop. In my opinion, we're really going good. This hope pump was really refreshing. It put a lot of money back into the market. What I'd say right now and what my advice would be is that you should be extremely careful right now because we're still into the no man's territory. We might be above these things. We went above the 200 days moving average, but we can as well return into the channel before the halving. So stay calm, have fiat. In order we get a nice correction, you can enter on a lower prices. Enjoy the ride and don't forget that crypto is here to stay. So we'll continue to observe Bitcoin and his potential scenarios and I'll keep you posted. For now, cheers to everybody that got this great pump. And don't forget that crypto is becoming better and better with the day, the whole infrastructure, and we are probably in for another big surprise, for another big run. But keep in mind that the leverage exchanges are really dangerous and they will try to steal your money in all possible strategies in a really legal way. So stay safe. So this concludes the video for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button and like it. I'll be keeping you updated with everything that's happening in the crazy crypto space. Thank you for watching and until next time. Bye.